Let's install the SANUS soundbar wall mount designed for the Sonos Arc. To install, you will need the following tools. In the box, you'll find the soundbar mount, hardware, manual, and wall plate template for worry-free drilling. In this video, we're featuring the drywall installation. Please reference the manual for wood stud and concrete installation processes. First, place and level the drilling template. Then mark the 4 holes we'll be drilling. Handy trick here, if you do end up drilling into a stud, that's okay. You'll just screw directly into the stud instead of using a drywall anchor. Let's insert our anchors into each of the holes. Next, secure soundbar mount using the provided screws and washers with a Phillips screwdriver. Extend the mount brackets out from the wall. Partially screw in hardware on the back of the Arc. Hang the soundbar mount using the keyhole slots and tighten them up. You can also easily adjust the tension to hold your Arc in the same position, but if you'd like to extend the speaker on demand, you can keep the tension loose. By extending your speaker, it helps with better microphone performance and Atmos upfiring driver usage. And you're done! Easily installs in 15 minutes or less. If you have any questions or concerns, contact our expert customer care team. If you want to take this install to the next level, check out our in-wall power kit. Easily conceals your power cables behind the wall, and it fits perfectly within the opening of the soundbar mount for a discreet look. Thanks from the team at SANUS.